Page 12, in his care. We're back to 3/4 time. We're still in our C position. The right hand has the melody. So the right hand's going to be a little louder than the left, however that is, however loud it is. At the beginning it says piano, P for soft, so that's the right hand. So the left hand has to be very soft. We want to hear the right hand. Gotta love those G's. I haven't spoken much on tied notes, so make sure you're holding the tied notes down, like the second line, first two measures. You're going to hold that G down for both measures. And you lift it up when you play the left hand, the first note and the third measure. It comes up there. You get other tied notes in here too. Third line on page 12. The left hand has a quarter note and it's done. So when you play the E in the right hand, the left hand comes up. And you have a few same type of thing in other places. I don't want to point them all out. I'm sure you'll see them. Then at the end, last line on page 13, last two measures, both hands are tied. So you're going to tie, you're going to hold, you're going to do something, I don't know. Hold the notes down for the full 6 counts. So it's like 1, 2, 3, tie, 2, 3, off. Now speed-wise, they don't give you a speed at the beginning. It's gently, however fast that is, I don't know. Not fast or slow, it's sort of a moderato. And then when you get over to page 13, the last line, it says much slower. Not just slower, much slower. So you're going to slow that last line way down. And you're soft. Normally when you would get slower like this, you get louder, but they want you to get soft. So there's not a lot of going on here, so let's just try this out. If you want to sing, go right ahead. I'll give us 3 counts. We're going to go slow because I just want to check notes and rhythms here. So C position. 1, ready, go. 2, 3, off.